So welcome back everyone. This evening I am doing this video on a lower light setting because I want you to get the full effect of how beautiful this can truly be. This display that I've put together here. And you really wouldn't get the same effect if I had the lights turned on really bright. So what I want to share with you is I have a cloche here, which you know I love, and they're very, very, very popular right now and very on trend in home decorating. And then I have a basic, just clear glass jar. And I picked this jar up at a thrift store, and it has a little bit of a lip here at the bottom. And then I've had the pillar candle. So I thought, what would it look like if I took this glass jar and my pillar candle along with some beautiful eucalyptus greenery and some little bushberry blueberries, and I covered it with my cloche. Now, we can't typically put a cloche over a lit candle because it would snuff it out. But by putting it over a flameless candle and having the flameless candle inside of its own glass vessel, I think has created a really beautiful, unique look. And I think this would be perfect for the holidays if you filled your inner vase with a beautiful holiday, perhaps greenery, small little pine cones. It would certainly be beautiful for fall. So I wanted to share this with all of you because I put this together this evening and I thought this was a really beautiful, unique idea that was absolutely worth sharing. And all you need is a cloche and a glass jar. And of course, I wasn't even certain, honestly, when I bought the glass jar, I wasn't even certain what I was going to do with it. And certainly, I didn't think my cloche would fit down around it. But I gave it a shot, and it turns out it does. And all of this works so beautifully together. So this is a great idea if you have a cloche, if you have a glass jar, a flameless candle, and a little bit of something you can add to the inside, you can create a really, really beautiful look. So I wanted to share this with all of you. And as I said, I did this in this setting specifically so that you could see the really beautiful glow that I am getting here. The same experience with this candle flickering inside of the glass jar with the cloche on top. So I hope that you have found this video to be of value, and this is something that you'll try because I think it's something that's really beautiful and it's unique, and we always love the look of candlelight, but of course when you put a flame candle under here, it's just going to burn out. And just simply setting a flameless candle underneath a cloche is kind of typical. It's what you sort of expect. So I think the unexpected is the fact that it's encased inside of this glass vessel. So thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my website. The AtHomeWithZane online store is in there, so be sure and check those out. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.